channel. Before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there. Okay, in this short video, I'm gonna show you the basic SQL commands, and I will execute queries as well using the commands that I'm gonna show you later. Okay, and I will not keep you waiting for such time. Let's begin. Let's start with the software. We will be using XAMPP. This is the XAMPP. Okay, and also we will be using phpMyAdmin as our local host. So in here, I created a database already. I named it Bahaw Power, similar to my channel. There are 5 tables under my database, namely the customer table, heroes table, product table, student table, and Team USA. Each table contains 5 columns, and each column consists of 10 rows to be specific. So now, let me introduce you to my tables. First is the customer table. Here we go. Here are my lovely customers with address and contact numbers. Very lovely. Sana all. Then, heroes table. Heroes from different countries, including the Philippines, of course. Then, the product table. Android phones, smartphones. The student table. Here are my student tables. BSIT, major in PE, all basketball players. Sana Oil. And Team USA, superstars, super team. Okay, so here is the list for the basic SQL commands, and I'm gonna perform also the queries of all of this. Okay, to start with, let's start with the limit. Limit is a clause that lets you specify the maximum number of rows the result set will have. Okay, so let's start with limit. I'm gonna use Team USA. So in here, I want the result only until Crispo. So I'm gonna use limit. Okay, SQL. Select all from Team USA. And I'm gonna need this where clause so that it's simple. Limit into 3. Go. So here's the result. There are only 3 rows. So that's it for the limit. Next is max. Not Max Alvarado, not Max Middle Candy, but max as a function. Max is a function that takes the name of a column and returns the largest value in that column, meaning maximum. Okay, we're gonna go with my students here. Here are my table for my students, and I'm gonna perform the SQL command who has the max grade. For my students, select max, open, close. I'm gonna go for grade. So again, I don't need the third class to be simple. So we're good to go. There we go. Max grade is 90. I'm gonna copy this one so that my life will be easier. Let's browse it again. The max grade is 90 from the blur Jason Guster. So SQL. Next is mean. Mean is the opposite function of max, meaning minimum, the smallest value in that column. So I'm just gonna paste it here from what I've copied a while ago. Control V. Oh my goodness. It's this. Select all. Select mean, Select mean, pen class. grade again. Okay, the minimum grade. Uh-oh. It happened. Minimum grade. All humans. Okay. Select. What's the matter with you people? Minimum grade from student table. Go. Okay, there you go. The minimum grade is 65. Let's browse it again. No, 65 from Fajardo and Calvin Ubeba. Okay, that's it for the mean. Next contestant is average. Average, or AVG as its syntax, is a function that returns the average value for a numeric column. Okay, we're gonna try this one. AVG. Gonna go for grade again. Okay, we're good to go. The average of my students' grades is 77.6. So we're done with average. Next is in. In is an operator that allows you to specify multiple values in a where clause. Okay, we'll try this one. In, and this time we're gonna use product table. So, okay, SQL. Select all from product table or product name. Product name space in open clause. So I'm gonna go for Vivo, comma, sorry, single quote, comma, single quote. Next choice is Oppo Calabasa. Then iPhone. Okay. In Vivo, Oppo, and iPhone will have the results set for them. There you go. Only Vivo, Oppo, and iPhone as a result. So just gonna copy this one so that my life will be easier. Okay, back to SQL. Next, not in. Not in is the other way around, meaning the opposite of in. Okay, it returns values that matches values in a list or subquery. Okay, I just paste here from what I have copied a while ago. Gonna put not for not in. The result set will not have Vivo, Oppo, and iPhone. Will restrict them from the result. Okay, here is the result. No sign of life for Vivo, Oppo, and iPhone here. Okay, next. Order by. Order by is a clause that indicates you want to sort the results set by a particular column, either alphabetically or numerically, meaning in order. Okay, order by, we're gonna go with from same table again. Select all from, we're gonna try this one. Select all from prod table space order by. I'm gonna go on price, and I'm order by, ascending is descending. We will put a query for them in one. Okay, raise, rise. The syntax, the default for this order by is ascending. And there are two options, ascending and descending. Ascending is from smallest amount down to the biggest. Okay, we'll try it in ascending form. Okay, here we go. Here's the result from the smallest amount, 500, to the biggest, 1200. Okay, then I'm gonna copy this one for such an easy life. Next one is descending. Descending is from biggest number down to the smallest. The opposite of ascending. Descending. Okay, we're good to go. Here we go. From the biggest amount, 1200, down to the smallest, which is 500. Okay. Next is Sam. Sum Pinto, Sum Nobi. Sum is an operator. Sum is a function that returns the sum of all the values in that column. Very self-explanatory. Okay, we're gonna go with the same table again. Select all, select sum, sum, of course price. Okay, you don't need this where class to be simple. Okay, here we go. Here is the sum of the prices in the product table. 7,899. Okay, that's it for sum. And next is between. Between is an operator that is used to filter the result set within a certain range. The values can be numbers, text, or dates. So we're gonna try between. So this time we're gonna try Team USA. Okay, query, select all from Team USA. I'm gonna go for age. Age is just a number. Between. This time we'll try 26. And I'm gonna go for 30. Okay. So I'll call from Team USA. We're age between 26 and 30. We're good to go. There you go, 26 to 30. No numbers below 26 and no higher than 30. So that's it for between. Next is not between. The other way around, or the opposite of between. It's used to display the result set outside the range. Okay, I'm just gonna copy this one for my life will be easier. SQL. Okay, just put not in here for not between. And there you go. 25 below 26 and 31 higher than 30, 31, 34, 34, 32. Okay, that's it for not between. Next is group by. Group by is used in collaboration with the select statement to arrange identical data into groups, which means unique values as a result without duplicate. Okay, group by. We're gonna try the student table. Okay, student table. We're gonna go on remarks. SQL remarks from student table, group by, I'm gonna go again with remarks. Okay, there are only unique values, 3 unique values in the remarks column. When we browse it, some of them are duplicated. Okay, the unique values only. We have the result for group by. That's it for group by. So next is concat. Concat is a function that adds 2 or more strings together, joins them into one row. Okay, gonna go for Team USA. We will try that concat. SQL select concat open close name. I'm gonna go for name, NBA team, and position. Okay, after name, comma, double quote, space for spacing, double quote again, comma again. After NBA team, the same process for the spacing, and we're gonna alias this one. We're gonna alias this as I'm gonna go for NBA team as an alias for the result. Okay, so we're good to go. Here we go. Name, the NBA team, and the position with spacing. That's what we have input a while ago. Okay, so we're done with concat. Next is group concat. Group concat is a function that gathers the data from a group into a single string with various options. Okay, we're gonna use heroes table this time. SQL select group. The syntax for this is group underscore concat, then open close. I'm gonna go for role. Oh man, open close from heroes table. Don't need that for a clause in here to be simple. Check this out. Okay, tank assassin, tank support. Observe that there are the result set have duplicate data. So if you're not contented with the result, if you want it that no duplicate, we're gonna put distinct. Control C for my life to be easier. Next is distinct. Distinct is a clause that allows you to eliminate duplicate values in the group before concatenating them. So let's try. SQL. Distinct, so I'm gonna put it here inside distinct row so that there will be no duplicate. Okay, that's it. But again, if you're not contented with the result, you want it to be in order, whether it's ascending or descending, you have to use order by. Okay, I'm gonna copy this one again for an easy life. select grab cut, distinct row, and then so that it will be in order. We'll use order by, then roll. Good to go. So here's it. Starts with letter A in default form of order by, ascending form from A down to T. Okay, we're done with distinct. Next is the separator. Separator specifies a literal value inserted between values in the group. So if you do not specify a separator, the group concat function uses a comma as a default separator. So we'll try it. Another thing, I'm gonna copy this one. I'm gonna copy this for such an easy life. Okay, we're gonna put separator after order by, roll, then separator. Okay, I'm gonna use semicolon. Separator from here's the ABL. Then we're good to go. Then check this out. There you go. Instead of the default separator, which is the comma, I use semicolon, and here is the result. And that's it. So that's separator. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm hoping that this short video tutorial will help you about your SQL queries. And don't forget, if you like this video, hit that like button and notification bell, and subscribe so that you will be updated for our next video at BaoPower_TV. Thank you guys, and I'm gonna leave you with this strong quote. The only time you run out of chances is when you stop taking them.